This year, we're climbing to new analytical heights, and we want you to be a part of the journey. Join us for the 2023 ICP Conference, Peak Performance, held in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains. We believe that reaching peak performance is like scaling a mountain. It takes dedication, precision, and support. At the conference, we'll provide you with an immersive and engaging experience, including 12+ hours of hands-on lab time. But it's not just about the science. You'll also have the chance to connect with other analysts and share experiences, because collaboration and communication are key to success. With over 35 years in business, we've set the standard in the industry for quality and accuracy. From our products and services to our educational commitment, you will not find a more dedicated analytical standards manufacturer in the world. Climb with us to new heights in your ICP journey. No matter your level of experience, we're committed to helping you achieve peak performance. So come join us, and let's reach new summits together. See you at the top.